Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for February 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And of course, please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Ayan, and please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Capricorn, what's up with you sa inyong love life ngayong February 2024. Fun times, ay party. May mga events kayong pupuntahan. You're just having fun. You also have twin flame and young female. Okay. Baka meron kayong makilala na soulmate connection sa mga places na pupuntahan ninyo. Yung mga naghahanap dyan ng ng relationship. Ayan. And if you are already in a relationship, I feel like mas magtatap kayo into your inner child no? Mas gusto nyo ngayon na mag-enjoy together with your partner, to go out together. Nothing really serious na parang puro trabaho na lang, no? I feel like you're going to have this balanced type of relationship na may oras kayo for work, for your career, and at the same time, binibigyan nyo rin ng panahon ang isa't isa na mag-enjoy. So, let's see your overall energy ng mga Capricorn sa love life ninyo ngayong Feb. O, diba? The lovers, you may be dealing with a Gemini. In love, ang mga Capricorn. You have the 8 of Swords, the 7 of Pentacles. I think you've waited for this relationship, no? For the longest time, naghintay ka na dumating ang person na to sa buhay mo. And ngayon, nung dumating na siya, masaya ka na. And I think, itong 8 of Swords energy na to, kaya hindi ka makapag-explore kasi pwedeng may mga pumipigil sa'yo, iniisip mo yung sasabihin ng ibang tao na, yung mga opinion nila sa'yo, na, oy, si ganito, si Capricorn, mahilig gumala, lumabas, mag-party, ganon. Or baka meron na namang bagong jowa. Alam nyo, lahat naman yan sila. Meron sila masasabi about you, about anybody. Pero kung kilala mo naman sa sarili mo, no, hindi mo kailangang magpa-apekto sa opinion nila. So ngayon, I feel like ine-embrace mo ang happiness mo ngayon, relationship-wise. You are, spending more time with your partner. And kung ikaw naman ay single pa, you're going out, no? You're having fun. Para may makilala ka na prospect, no? Potential partner. So, let's see your challenge. You have the 10 of Pentacles, the 7 of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Okay. As a challenge, pwedeng, merong makialam sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon, especially kung ito ay yung mga taong meron kang responsibility sa kanila, no, financially. Let's say, for example, meron kang sinusuportahan na parents, anak, or ex, no, meron kang ganon, na nagpapadala ka sa kanila, and pag nalalaman nila na ikaw ay lumalabas, nag-enjoy, parang sumasama yung loob nila na isipin nila na, oy, bakit inuuna mo yan, ganon. Sa totoo lang, kung ikaw naman ay, nabibigay mo naman yung responsibility mo, napapanindigan mo yung responsibility mo, hayaan mo sila kung ano yung nasabihin nila sa'yo. Ang importante is, meron kang tinitira para sa sarili mo, para mag-enjoy. Okay lang yan kung sila ay mag-react. Pwede kasing dati, hindi ka nila nakikita na ganyan, na nag-enjoy para sa sarili mo. And ngayon, naninibago sila. So, parang feeling nila, nagiging selfish ka. Pero ang totoo, you just want to have fun, enjoy life. Lalo na kung masipag ka, you're working hard, then you should be playing hard too. 'Di ba? So, if you're in a relationship, tingnan natin yung feelings mo towards your person. If you're connecting with someone, you have the Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Cups. Mahal mo tong person that you're dealing with. You are ready na, magpatuloy sa relationship na to. Magkaroon ng higher level of commitment. Malalim ang iyong feelings towards your person. You feel na merong patutunguhan. Itong relationship ninyo. How about your person? Anong feeling niya towards you? Uy, 10 of Cups. Feeling at home siya sa'yo. Oh my God. You also have the 6 of Wands. This person admires you. Gustong-gusto ka ng taong to. Sino man tong kapartner mo ngayon. But if you're single, meron kang admirer, no? Na gusto kang makilala, gusto niyang makilala yung family mo, gusto kanyang makilala ng lubusan. Oo. But if you are in a relationship, I see na this person has a lot of respect towards you, nirerespeto ka niya, nire-recognize niya yung galing mo, yung skills mo, yung abilities mo, yung mga narating mo sa buhay. And this person is very proud of you. Proud na proud to sa'yo. Let's see, ano pa? For Capricorn. What's up? I'm afraid you're going to meet someone else before I'm ready to be with you for good. Baka may selos, no? Oo. Pwedeng you might be dealing with someone na mabilis magselos, or ikaw medyo nagsiselos ka. I feel you pulling away and it triggers my fears that you leave me for good. Yun lang. Kapag meron kayong mga challenges, pag-aaway, misunderstanding, isa sa kinakatakot yan ng partner nyo, no? Partner mo, or ikaw. Dahil syempre, pwede siyang maging reason for separation. I don't know kung bakit may trauma yung iba sa inyo. Pwede kasing naka-experience kayo na hindi nyo inaasahan na separation from your person dahil nag-ugat lang sa isang pag-aaway or misunderstanding tas nauwi na sa final separation. I think you're beautiful inside and out. I see the light that radiates from your soul. Wow. This person adores you. Gustong-gusto niya yung persona mo, personality mo, even your physical appearance. Yan. Oo. Nami-mesmerize siya. Okay, so that is your reading, Capricorn. And thank you so much. Bye!